Okay, so the final piece to the puzzle is we want to create a jig to ensure that we have the proper angle when we set the crown molding or fasten it to the wall. So we want to maintain, you know, the proper distance down from the ceiling and out from the wall. So the easiest way to do it is, again, line those red lines so we know that it's setting against the wall, against the ceiling. And then just on a scrap piece of board, we'll place it flush, and there's two dimensions we're looking for. One is this one, you know, how far up it goes, and then how far out it comes. We mark here, and then all this other material in here, well, we'll go ahead and trace the board. All of this becomes irrelevant. So what I'll typically do is just curve that out. And then we'll take it on a jigsaw, bandsaw, what have you, and then just remove this material. And then this becomes our jig to secure or fasten the crown to the wall.